processing power is becoming a new form of competitive advantage. Those who effectively test and manufacture cutting-edge, high-performance computers hold the future in their hands. But producing these complex machines is precarious. They require liquid cooling and significant manufacturing infrastructure. They rely on expertise in production scaling and a complex supply chain that is at high risk of disruption. Those who fail to navigate these challenges risk losing their competitive edge, leaving them vulnerable to competition. However, there is a test and manufacturing partner with proven experience. At Benchmark, we have demonstrated skill in test development, assembly, and production of liquid-cooled blades for high-performance computers. And with fully operational test and manufacturing infrastructure in the United States, we are ready to help you seize the AI revolution. At Benchmark, we build a trusted partnership with your business using seasoned in-house experts. Whether you need a test development partner or are designing a supercomputer from the ground up, Benchmark is ready to help you gain an advantage over your competitors. Entrench your lead in computational capability and achieve the once unthinkable when it matters.